Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I've got several different job leads to share with you in today's video. I try to mix it up, have a little something for everyone. So we've got some healthcare job leads, we got some customer service, and we have DoorDash hiring quality review. You do not have to get in a car and deliver. This is completely work from home in your pajamas, no leaving your house, paying up to $28 an hour. No college degree is needed. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to check the companies out and get those applications in, and please, I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me some direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, a like button. That lets me know that you are enjoying these videos. And if you know anyone that these job leads could help, please share with all your friends and family, because we do all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest of life. But with that being said, we're not going to waste any time. Diving right on in, we have a healthcare job lead. Now, this is from Ventra Health. They're hiring a payment posting specialist. This is remote for the United States only. All of the positions I'm sharing in this video are for the United States only. So they're looking for a payment posting specialist to be responsible for intake of the Ventra Health clients. You'll be assigned 13 to 14 different facilities or clients, and you'll be responsible for maintaining their 6-day turnaround time. You'll post all deposits for the current month and month end by the deadline. So you're going to post accounts payable deposits. You'll process electronic 835s and manual payer EOBs. So when insurance companies send those electronic files or manual files, you're going to post the insurance allowable patient portions, so like copays, deductibles, co-insurances, any denials from the insurance company, adjustments like contractual adjustments or things like that, any recoups or forwarding balances. You're going to interpret that explanation of benefits and remittance codes and apply the correct denial codes in the system. So those are your HIPAA compliant like RMC codes. You'll balance and close the payment batches timely and navigate websites to obtain the EOBs. So this is going to be a non-phone healthcare position. Now, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED and at least 2 years experience posting some kind of insurance payments in a healthcare setting. Now, if you have 2 years experience reading explanation of benefits, they prefer you to have that too, but it is not required. You do need to know how to read an explanation of benefits, have great math skills, great time management and organizational skills, and be able to communicate with diverse personalities, as you'll be working internally with different teammates. Now, pay for this position is very printed, very small down at the bottom, but is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $19 an hour. Moving right along, if healthcare is not your thing, that's okay. We have the company Sutherland hiring. Now, Sutherland has 9,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a work from home customer service representative. They don't really say much about the requirements of the job other than to say basic customer service jobs. You're going to handle and answer the customers one-on-one. You'll be dealing with a company innovating the automotive industry. You don't need to be a car expert, but you're going to go through training to learn how to best provide the exceptional customer service experience for buyers, sellers, and owners calling in with questions and requests for assistance on their cars. So they're going to provide all the training for you. Pay for this position is $15 an hour. They do offer medical, dental, vision, and paid time off benefits. Now, as far as what they are looking for, someone who has great communication skills, 1 year of customer service skills, and can type at least 30 words per minute. They do want somebody who can use those Microsoft Office systems, so Outlook, Office, things like that. You will have to have a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is needed. Now, moving right on along, DoorDash has 2 different open positions, and we're going to talk about them. First up, they're hiring a quality specialist for their weekend shift. Now, this is remote for the United States. There is no leaving your house, no having to drive and deliver with this position. As a quality specialist, you're going to be responsible for improvement improvements to DoorDash's delivery quality at the lowest level of detail. You're going to perform daily operational tasks to maintain delivery efficiency, including executing a playbook to maintain the delivery quality during weather events. So you'll research local events that may impact business operations. So you're going to have to stay up to date like on the weather and the things like maybe tornadoes and things going on in certain areas. You're going to work with the DoorDash Dashers and logistics team to implement plans for weather, holidays, and special events, making sure that the DoorDash quality of service is still going strong. You'll have to make sure there's coverage for all of those times when people may be taking off. You want to make sure the delivery quality for customers continues to stay top notch. You'll identify and diagnose any issues to improve the speed of performance of the deliveries. You'll maintain market reports and collaborate with Dashers and the team on the report's findings, taking part in building new processes and testing new tools. So this is going to be like a reporting and idea-based job. You're going to be making sure that those Dashers that are out there delivering are making sure that the customers are taken care of and have quality service every time. Now, of course, they always prefer a bachelor degree, but it's not required. Only high school diploma or GED. Someone who has great attention to detail and great management skills, like project management skills. You can multitask and run multiple projects at the same time. Someone who has a I can do it attitude, and someone who can be a team player. Now, they're specifically looking for somebody to work 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time on weekends. So you need to be comfortable working weekends. But as far as pay goes, of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay is anywhere from $17.80 an hour all the way up to $28.40 an hour. This does come with a standard benefit package that includes health care benefits, 401k, and paid time off. Now, if quality is not your thing, if you do have some skills as far as reporting and growth and marketing is concerned, DoorDash is also hiring a growth specialist for their DashMart division. It does say this is remote for the United States. But the growth specialist is basically going to support the execution of growth and go-to-market campaigns for DashMart. You're going to partner with cross-functional teams to bring campaigns to life. So you're going to be trying to market DashMart and get people to use it. You'll support the growth initiatives through concept, execution, and analysis. You'll operate at scale by launching and coordinating new store pages and growth campaigns, partnering with teams spanning marketing, merchandising, local operations, and engineering. You're going to help build new processes and implement them in supporting growing business lines. So they are looking for somebody who is eager to roll up their sleeves and work on exciting new execution of new campaigns, store pages. So you'll have to do configuration settings as well. You'll have to, again, be a multitasker managing multiple current projects. You'll have to be a think outside the box thinker and a great communicator. They do want somebody who's 1 year experience in marketing, project management, data analysis, sales, or similar field, or if you don't have any of that experience, they will take a college degree over that. Now, again, pay for this position is pretty much in line with the other one, $17.30 an hour on the low end, all the way up to $27.60 an hour on the high end. Still comes with a standard benefit package. If you're more of a healthcare person, like I am, healthcare work from home jobs do have my heart. Weill Medicine has 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a great rating of a 4.0 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a revenue cycle specialist, remote work from home. Now, this is a very high paying job. Salary ranges anywhere from $29.15 an hour all the way up to $38.96 an hour. Of course, that's going to be dependent on location and experience, but this is going to be a basic healthcare billing job. You're going to perform a follow-up to investigate and resolve any payment denial trends. So like when a claim goes out to the insurance company and the insurance company denies it and does not pay it, you're going to follow up, find out why, and see if there's anything you can do to collect that payment. So you'll utilize the practice management system to sort, filter, summarize, and identify various accounts receivable trends. You'll prepare letters of appeal to the insurance companies for claims that were not paid. You'll resolve any claim edits with the practice management billing system, and you will also sometimes assist in training new employees. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of medical billing accounts receivable experience, someone who has knowledge in the medical terminology field, especially with like electronic medical record system. Again, you have to use those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Microsoft Excel. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a big thank you, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can't make any promises, but I do always read those and keep that in mind when I'm out there searching for job leads to share. And so if I come across anything I know someone has said they're looking for, I will share it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.